Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some
card tricks for you guys.
card tricks for you guys. Wait. Alright guys, so this is my dog Yogi. Say hi Yogi. Okay. He's very camera shy, so he's not gonna be showing his face. I'm going to be showing Yogi a trick. And you guys will be the audience. I'm gonna shuffle this the decks of the oh my god the deck of cards real quick, and I'm just going to do that real quick, and Yogi's gonna tell me when to stop while I do that. Right, ready, Yogi? Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Alright, stop. Oh no. Alright, keep going there. So this is Yogi's card. I cannot see the card. I will show him the card right now. I will not look. And I will show you guys too. Yogi, this is your card. And here's Yogi's card. Okay. So I place it down right there. Right there. And I'm gonna set the card in the middle. Like so. Alright, so Yogi's card is in the middle, right there. I'm gonna put it in the deck, and then I'm just going to shuffle it real quick. Shoot. Alright, so I shuffled the cards, and with a click, Yogi's card is going to be on the top. Ready, Yogi? Is this your card, Yogi? No, it's not. It's not your card? Oh, darn. Well, oh wait. I feel something in my tank top. Yogi, is this your card? Is this your card? Yes. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys want, comment down below if you guys want a tutorial on how to do this. Bye girlies.